This is my freezer. Let's see, on the door, we got broccoli, some other stuff, I'm not even sure what it is, bread, chicken patties, that's really good stuff, hamburgers, cheese sticks, chicken, broccoli, ooh, peas rolls, I didn't know we had those. Some of that. Let's see. Fridge. Starting with the door. We got ketchup. We got my door. This is my door. All the condiments stored here. See mayonnaise at the very bottom. Love that stuff. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. This is my fridge. What do we have? Let's see. In the drawer we normally keep our... This is where we keep our meats. Deli. Cheese and whatnot. We got, I'm not really sure what exactly we store down here. I think it's just cheese, like, other stuff. What's in here? A dead baby. That's not supposed to be in there. It's supposed to be in the freezer. Damn Marissa putting shit where it doesn't belong. Alright. So that is my fridge. And my freezer.